Hi, Countrywood.
Hi, friends from South Huntington. It's Mrs. Crocco and
Mason.
we miss you all so much, and we hope that you're doing well and your families are doing well and that you're doing some math. One of the things that we love to do in the math lab at Countrywood and Birchwood and all over the district is to play games that help us with our math skills. And one of the things that we use a lot are dice. Many of the games you have at home probably have dice in them, like Yahtzee, categories, left, right, center, lots of them. You can even ask your parents if they have some, but if not, what should you do?
You should make one, and if you see these markers, you can smell them, and if you're doing this along, you can do this along. You can.
So what will they need?
Do some supplies.
What supplies will they need? First, what is this?
Cardboard.
We found some cardboard. We think it's going to be better than paper. What about this?
If you have duct tape, you can use duct tape.
Yeah, this is packing tape, but we also have.
If it doesn't work, you can use this.
Good.
And you need a pencil and a marker.
And what about this?
You can use a measure. Well, you have to use
Do you know what that's called?
what?
Starts with an R.
Right. Ruler.
Ruler. Yeah, this is not a typical ruler, but we just use it to mark the
Like
lines.
it rules the road.
So we also bought some nail polish because we might make the dots instead of numbers. The number cube Mason has, or the die Mason has numbers on them. And in fact, it's only 1, 2, 3. So this isn't the best die for us to use because we kind of want more numbers on there. Most dies have 1 through 6. So we need some more numbers.
And if you can do the workers that they decided with this dice, they decided to do numbers. But if the other one makers that do dice, they can also do circles. Like, see this? 3 circles. The guy can do that. 2 circles and 1 circle. The guy can do those.
Good. So we're just working on putting some tape on the insides of the pieces of the cardboard, and we're just going to try to start constructing our sides.
Where is my?
Close up the last piece of the die.
So, if you're not a pro, if you're not a pro on scissoring, cutting, just ask your mom and dad, because they were once kids, and mom and dad both have them. Now, they were in kindergarten, like me. I have Mrs. Covington and Mrs. Wilcox. Where did this go?
So I'm going to write my numbers on the sides of my dice now because I want to put more tape around it to kind of reinforce it. And I'm afraid if I put the tape on it, I won't be able to write, or the ink won't stay. So I'm going to put some numbers first.
Mad at you.
What's the matter?
I feel so mad at Kelly.
One interesting fact that I learned also is that opposite sides of the dice equals 6.
Hey.
So I know if I have 1 on the opposite side, I have to have 5. And if I have here 2, I need to have 4. And over here, if I have 3, I need to have 3. Okay, so please be careful. It's not really a perfect cube, so I'm going to work a little bit harder to put tape around it to make it a little bit stronger. But just to show you,
I am super mad at you. Can you help me make a
of course, after when we're done, can you roll this one and see how it works? Gentle. Don't crush it.
Wait.
I want to make it stronger. What number did you get?
Got number.
Let's see now.
No, 4.
I think you had a 3, right? Okay, so it works.
Yeah, can you make mine, please?
So we're gonna make some more so we have more, and we're also going to put some more
Make
tape
mine,
around it. If we can, maybe we'll try to decorate it a little bit more, but it works.
Mom, can you make mine?
We're gonna make some more, so thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.
Bye.